I can't keep myself away from it, but it's been such a focus of my life for the last 4 years, this mountain. I think what makes Link Sar such an incredible peak to climb is it's just such a big puzzle. It's just a really gnarly mountain, Link Sar. You know, there's no obvious route up to the main summit. And every partner I've been with has been absolutely destroyed by this mountain. I've been with some really strong partners. Every year that I come back, I feel like it's going to be the year, but every year has been a crushing disappointment so far.
What's that to say?
Not much. I worked.
What a hell of a day.
I don't think I've ever pushed myself mentally and physically that hard.
Little snow through the night. Less than ideal. But, you know, that's why it's called alpinism. Yeah, we got some serious snow now, huh?
Yeah. But we kept climbing on, and it was definitely harder than I've ever pushed myself, and I wouldn't have done it if it hadn't been my third time. If it was my first time, I would have just instantly sacked it off as soon as the weather arrived. But I kept pushing every day with Kevin, like, really keen to top out. But it was really scary. I think we got pretty lucky.
And I don't know what, it's uncomfortable and cold, and we're pretty reluctant to leave the shitty bivvy spot just because it's going to be another really long, horrible, miserable day.
Challenge, I think, in alpinism is the mental game. It's not just the physical game, because often you'll be completely depleted, but your brain keeps forcing you on. And it's also the puzzle of working out what's ahead of you, how to negotiate the terrain safely and make good decisions. You know, that's why alpinism is a really interesting sport, I think. It's a real mental game.
It's just, that's the whole thing about Link Sar. It's just everything's so worrying about it. Such an unknown. We don't know if it's going to be straightforward. It might take us 1 day to get across. It could shut us down. We could be on it for 3 days. That's the cool thing. We just don't know. John's had 3 previous attempts on it. One of them with myself, and you know, he's managed to get to just about the top of the North Face. But yeah, that's just a fraction of the puzzle.
How's it going, John?
Yeah, not amazingly, actually.
There's just so many more factors involved with out here than there is back in the Alps.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
But the hardest bit is just putting it all together, I think.
Feel very lucky to be able to be in this position to see this and appreciate it.
Looking good, man.
West Summit. Now looking out on the main summit, first time on this ridge. Oh, I'm so happy. View I've been dreaming of for like 3 years now.